chemical of the month this month is our aerosol oven and grill cleaner. You need to make sure that you're using this product in a well ventilated area. You need to be careful about your pilot lights. You need to make sure that you're not spraying this product into them. Spray it all over the interior of your oven. Let it sit. Depending on your grease load, you may want to take a scrubby and scrub it out. Then take a paper towel, wipe out any excess that's there. It can also be used on a top grill if needed. Just spray it on there, let it sit for a little bit, remove it the same way that you would if it's inside of your oven itself. Again, this is our aerosol oven and grill cleaner. For any questions that you may have, contact your local area manager.